In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix DLL errors on Windows 11. Dealing with DLL errors can be frustrating, but with a few straightforward steps, you can resolve these issues and get your computer running smoothly again. Let's dive right in. First, if the DLL error is popping up when you try to use a particular application, the solution might be as simple as reinstalling the program that's causing the problem. We'll start by opening the Settings menu on your Windows 11 device. You can do this quickly by clicking on the Start button and then selecting the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Once you're in the Settings window, navigate to the Apps section and then select Installed Apps. Here you'll find a list of all the applications currently installed on your system. Look for the program that's causing the DLL error, click on it, and select Uninstall. Follow the prompts to remove the application completely from your computer. After you've uninstalled the program, it's a good idea to restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. Once your computer has rebooted, you'll want to install the latest version of the affected application, but this time head to the software publisher's official website to download the most recent version. This can help ensure you're getting the latest updates and bug fixes, which might resolve the DLL error you encountered. Go ahead and install this new version on your system and check to see if this fixes the issue. If reinstalling the program doesn't solve the problem, it's time to run the System File Checker, a handy tool built into Windows that can automatically scan for and repair corrupted system files, which might be causing the DLL error. To do this, you'll need to open the command prompt with administrative privileges. Simply type CMD in the Windows search bar, right-click on Command Prompt in the results, and choose Run as administrator. A black window will appear. This is the command prompt interface. To initiate a system scan, type in SFC, scan now, and hit Enter. Windows will begin scanning all protected system files, and it'll replace any corrupted ones with a cached copy that's kept in a compressed folder. This process could take a little while, so be patient and let the tool do its work. Once the scan is complete, you'll be presented with a message detailing the results. If the System File Checker has identified and repaired any issues, you'll see instructions on what to do next. Be sure to follow these guidelines to ensure your system is running optimally. Sometimes fixing DLL errors can feel like a daunting task, but by following these steps, you're well on your way to resolving them. If you followed the instructions and the issue persists, it might be worth seeking technical support from a professional. Thanks for watching, and good luck in solving your DLL